Hello guys, welcome to Java Developers YouTube channel. In previous class, we have gone through the tables topic in HTML, and I have told you the two types how to make the table and how to insert what is tr, what is td. All that is completed. Today our task is that we need to learn about the Rowspan and Colspan, okay, which is very important. Okay, um, okay, we will learn about that. Just open the VS Code. Okay, this is our VS Code and we are going to perform the task is create the tables in HTML. Okay, we are going to perform this after that, and we will do one more problem in tomorrow's class. Okay, today our assignment is this. We are performing that. Okay, let's take what first take the table tag. Inside that take the what are they, like we have column 1, column 2, column 3. Normal text, right? We have in the first td, in the first tier we have 3 tds, right? I have taken 3 tds, that is column 1. Okay, column 1. Next I have to take column 2. Next I have to take column 3. Okay, if you go for that, just run our code. You will see that whether we are getting the same outline or not. Wait a while, it was loading. You got like column 1, column 2, column 3. Okay, and next, what is our requirement? Next our requirement is that we have to take the row 1 and cell 1. Okay, next take another tr. Okay, and we have to take, just understand this first. We have one row, that is row 1 cell 1, row 2 cell, row 1 cell 2, row 1 cell 3, right? First one is row 1 cell 1, right? Next we have row 1 cell 2. Next we have row 1 cell 3, right? Just see our output: row 1 cell 1, row 2 cell 2, row 3 cell 3. Yeah, you got it, right? Next we will see the another thing here. One row is spaced, it was nothing, it was occupied by the row 1 and cell 1. We will go for next one. Okay, we will go for next one, that is row 2 cell 2. For that, take another tr. Okay, take another tr, td. It should be common, nothing is written right here for this. Now row 2 cell 2. Okay, row 2 cell 2. Next, what is our next thing? Row 2 cell 3, row 2 cell 3. Okay, row 2 cell 3, right? Just see the output. It was like row 2 cell 2, row 3 cell 3, right? What is our required next code? It would be only row 3 cell 1. Okay, next one is tr, and what is the next thing? Row 3 cell 1 is enough, right? Our output is like this. So we need to use attributes in our table tag, like border equals to 1. Okay, cell padding equals to something like 5. and you can use cell spacing like 3. Okay, that's enough. Once see that, yes. But the main difference is that here row 1 is row 1 cell 1 is here different, right? It was saying like that. So just understand the diagram first. Here row 1 cell 1 is occupied the row 2 cell 1 space. It's a column, right? It's a column. So just use row 1 cell 1, just use Colspan 2. Okay, you will see the output here. Oh, Colspan you will get horizontal, then you can go ahead with Rowspan. Okay, Rowspan 2. Okay, it's occupied, right? Yeah. Then remove this td because it's overriding. Okay, now you got it. And what is another thing we need to adjust here? It's a cell 3. It has to fetch all over the here. Cell 3 is fetching this total row, but our it was fetching only the current cell, so we need to fetch that. For that, go for the particular td. Inside the opening tag of the cd, we need to apply the Rowspan and Colspan. Just write Colspan equals to 3 because we have 3, right? This is a 1, this is 2, this is 3. 3 columns had, we need to fetch with the row 3, right? We have designed this. Output is saved. Just see that column 1, we got column 1, and column 2 column 3. Yeah, column 2 column 3, and row 1 cell 1 you get row 1 cell 1, then row 2 row 1 cell 1 2, and row 1 cell 1 3, row 1 row 1. Yeah, then row 2 cell 1 2, row 2 cell 1 3. Again you are fetching whole cell of this row 3, right? Okay, it was counting from the current cell to the entire cell, where up to where you need the space. That's only the difference, right? We need, this is one row and this is another one, this is another one, right? Based on that I was fetching that. Okay, we will do one more assignment, like we will do this college timetable tomorrow. For easy understanding, we will do this. Okay, we will do this like quick brown box gems. Okay, just create the another file. Okay, new tables.java. Sorry, you need to take like html tables table.html. Okay, and after that just get the boilerplate, and after that you need to take the table. Inside the table what we're having, what are the things we need to place, right? First take the tr, or you can use that another format too. Okay, or we can use that. Okay, let's make t head. Inside t head I was taking tr. Inside tr, okay, inside tr I was taking td, not th. Okay, it's td. I was using quick. First one is quick, and next one is td fox, and next one is jumps, right? Quick fox jumps. Okay, I think here no need of t head too, but I was taking for the sake, I was considering this is as a t head, but it's not a t head here. Okay, next t body. After t body let's take tr. Inside that we have to take what, we have to take one td. What is the td? Over the next, what is that? Lazy dog and LAZY, lazy dog. Next one is dog, and next one is and. Okay, Let's see the output. What is the output? It was getting or not? No, because we are not run the file wet. And go to live, or else you can use right shift open with live server. Anything is working fine. It was starting. Yeah, it was opening. Okay, quick for exams over the lazy dog. And what is the next thing? Then it false. Okay, take the another row, and inside that then and it and false. Okay, then it false, then pray to lion. Take the next row. I mean, it comes under the footer. No need here. Okay, footer is no need because it gets complicated. td pray to lion, pray to lion. Okay, this is our code. Just use the attributes to look more beautiful, right? Table 1 and cell padding equals to 3, and using the cell spacing equals to 3. Okay, just see that. Okay, and compare with the output. Brown fox, it's brown fox. You can see here 1 2 3, but here you have 4, right? Brown fox. Let's use brown fox. Let's see the output. But even though, okay, I will add to that. Okay, no issue. Okay, just understand the table first. It's quick. Brown fox. This brown fox is covering, just see this carefully. This brown fox, okay, this brown fox is covering the 2 cells. That means we need to expand that. Okay, so open the VS Code. We need to expand this. So you can use like what you are going to use. Colspan, current cell to the next cell, that is number of cells is 2. Okay, just see here. Here brown fox, why it was not impacting? Okay, current, once again I want to test it. It was expanding 3, but I need only 2. Okay, total we have 1. Okay, let's see that later. Yeah, it's fitted, right? Brown fox is covering 2 cells. Done. Next, what is our requirements? Then we need to cover this. I mean, it was fetching 1 2 3 rows, right? Over there is fetching the one total column, right? So over the, like, we have to take Rowspan. Rowspan total is 4. Just a look at the output. Why it was not again? Okay, okay, just go to the file, click on autosave. Yeah, it's there. Over the, yeah, it's completed. Now next we look that lazy dog and lazy dog, and then it falls. Okay, what is our next last task is pray to lion should be the entire cells. I mean, up to the 3 cells it has to be. So go to the code. Okay, go to the code, and what we have to take, we need to take call span up to 3 cells, right? So it was fetching up to the 3 cells because 1 2 3. Okay, this is our output. Okay, if you want to align it center, go and use another attribute like align equals to center. Okay, it's centered. Okay, if you have any doubt, just comment me below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.